Following our dinosaur theme, I thought today we would make some chocolate dinosaur nests. And this is really simple to make and lots of fun and very tasty. So all you need is about 100 grams of chocolate. Any chocolate will do. Just break it up, pop it in a bowl. We need 2 tablespoons of syrup, 50 grams of butter, some cereal. Now, it's up to you what cereal you want to use. I'm going to use shredded wheat because I think when they're crushed up and popped into the chocolate, they do actually look like nests. But if you haven't got those, you could use cornflakes or Rice Krispies, any sort of cereal you want to use. And then the other thing is your eggs. Now, I've just got some mini eggs here, but if you can't get hold of mini eggs, you can always use Smarties or Minstrels, some other ones to be the eggs. So let's get started. In a bowl, just pop your chocolate, and then we need our 2 tablespoons of syrup. There we go. And the butter, 50 grams of butter we will put on. This makes them look nice and shiny. That's all you need to do to put those in the bowl. And then you just need to take this over to the stove, and I'm going to melt it down using hot water. So pop it in a pan with hot water and then just let it melt on the top. You can melt it in the microwave if you want. So anyway, I'm going to do that now. Right, now the chocolate's melted, you can take the cereal. So like I said, I'm going to use shredded wheat because it looks like the nest, and literally all you do is break it up into the chocolate. There's one, the other one. Doing it carefully so it doesn't end up everywhere. And then you just literally mix it into the chocolate. Right, now it's all mixed into the chocolate, you take some of your mixture and pop it just into some little cake cases. And you can do it so you make like a little well in the middle, so it looks a little bit like a nest. And then into the top of your nest, you're going to add your eggs. So I've got these little eggs here I'm going to have. So I think someone will be lucky and 3 nice ones on that one. And once you put them all in your cases, if you just pop them in your fridge and set, and then they'll be ready to eat. So why don't you have a go?